news in detail. State Finance Minister O. Pannirselvam today presented a tax-free revenue surplus budget for the coming year. Presenting the budget in the State Assembly, he unveiled a special purpose vehicle for the Madurai-Tuticorin Industrial Corridor and a cotton cultivation mission. Stating that Tamil Nadu is a major manufacturing hub of the country, he said a global investors meet would be held in Chennai in October to further promote growth of industry and infrastructure.
மேம்பாட்டு வழித்தட திட்டத்தினை செயல்படுத்துவதற்காக சிறப்பு செயலாக்க முகமை ஒன்று ஏற்படுத்தப்படும்.
Pannirselvam said around 53,000 acres of land will be developed for industrial purposes all over the state with a special focus in the southern districts. Blaming the centre for its failure to stimulate growth, he said the state government has been striving hard to ensure equitable growth as this has caused a substantial shortfall in the state's projected tax revenues. Mentioning that the persistent efforts taken by the government had resulted in bringing down the school dropouts in the state, he said 17,731 crores has been allotted to improve the quality of education, especially language and mathematical skills.
உள்ள பள்ளி குழந்தைகள் அனைவருக்கும் தரமான இலவச கல்வி அளித்திட 2014-15ஆம் ஆண்டு வரவு செலவு திட்டத்தில் பள்ளி கல்வித்துறைக்கு 17,731.71 கோடி ரூபாய் ஒதுக்கீடு செய்யப்பட்டுள்ளது.
Listing several measures taken by the government to improve the health sector, he said an additional budget of 7,005 crore rupees had been allotted for the next financial year. 2 more super specialty hospitals with modern trauma care centers would come up at a cost of 300 crore rupees in the medical college hospitals at Thanjavur and Tirunelveli, he added.
300 கோடி ரூபாய் செலவில் நவீன விபத்து சிகிச்சை மையங்களுடன் கூடிய 2 பன்னோக்கு மருத்துவமனைகளை தஞ்சாவூர் மற்றும் திருநெல்வேலியில் அரசு அமைக்கும்.